As a young boy, I was always fascinated by the water, and I used to spend my youth sailing, enjoying the freedom, experiencing nature and the independence that it gave me. Many years later, my partner and I decided to leave the UK on our own small sailing boat for a life-changing adventure. We'd crossed the Atlantic to finally arrive in Grenada, the Isle of Spice, and we never left. The day we set foot on Grenada and discovered the same feeling of freedom on land as we had on boats, we began our dream of creating 473 Boutique Resort. Taking inspiration from modern architecture of Frank Lloyd Wright and Louis Barragan, combined with vernacular architectural style, I began my journey and challenge of creating a unique and uplifting retreat. This 9-villa intimate resort embodies the elements of the ocean surf and cooling breezes driven by the Atlantic winds that brought us to these very shores, embraced by mature tropical gardens. The sound of water and the light reflected between the palm fronds as the sound of the sea and sand creates a calming, unique utopia, which to me is the essence of living and breathing. Feeling the refreshing warm ocean, snorkeling above the Caribbean marine world, kayaking to secluded beaches is just the beginning of your journey at 473. Come and explore hidden waterfalls, enjoy Grenadians' warm, welcoming culture, and the romance of Spice's tropical rainforest and intoxicating wilderness. So I invite you to experience this reconnection with nature. Luxurious beachside living, surrounded by the natural elements, a truly wonderful combination to rejuvenate your romance with life.